Other religions talk about beginning and end of the world. What does Buddha say about this?
Oh, not only Buddha, but also Mahavir, the Jain teacher. Jain,
No, the teacher of Jainism.
not Jainism. I think both, as far as I know, is both believe in the law of causality. So law of causality means certain event due to its own causes. That cause also due to its own causes. So from that way, the cause of another event is actually event of its own cause. So like that, now for example, Big Bang is in a way beginning of this new universe. But the Big Bang must have its own causes and conditions. Now obviously, tremendous sort of energy. Intense way.
Dense energy.
Dense sort of energy. That causing Big Bang. So what that energy come? From where it come? What is cause and condition? So go like that, beginningless. So that is the Buddhist explanation. Then another aspect, that is physical level. Another aspect, being or self. What is self? No independent self. Self designated on the combination of body and mind. This body is concerned, as I mentioned earlier, the sort of ultimate sort of particles of this body come from parent, and then further goes the beginning of the world. Before that, empty space, there are particles, subtlest of the particle. That's the causes of the later development. So today is my body's ultimate continuation, right? Continuation of my body's particle related with those time. So beginningless. So similarly, my mind is something different phenomena. No shape, no color, no physical.
Form.
No form. So it is something like very subtle energy. So that also all the time changing. That means there must be causes. There are two kinds. Substantial cause and cooperative cause. So cooperative cause, there are physicals. Times also is a factor. But the substantial cause is own similar nature, continuation of similar nature. So from that way, Buddhists say no beginning of self, because no beginning of consciousness. If you accept the beginning of consciousness, then that original consciousness must come from different type of phenomena. That's illogical. So that's the basis of rebirth and previous lives and rebirth, like that. If you feel uncomfortable, then forget it. Don't think. Oh, and within Buddhism, within Buddhist tradition, there are two types. One say, after Buddha's sort of stage, or higher sort of stage, then this body, when one's body disappears, the being also ceases. But most of the Buddhist tradition reject that. There's no reason to cease our consciousness. So therefore, consciousness still remain to highest sort of spiritual stage. So from the Buddhist viewpoint, beginningless, endless. Like that. Next question.